This is the delivery pipeline we are going to create. And the first job in our delivery pipeline is compile job. Second job is unit test job. Third job is package job. We have already discussed what each job does. And now let us discuss how we should create them on Jenkins. First, coming to the compile job. Like we learned, Jenkins cannot do anything. Like Jenkins will not compile unit, it will not do unit testing or packaging. Whereas Jenkins will use a build automation tool called Maven and it will compile, test and package. So let us create a Maven job in Jenkins which will compile. We have learned Maven how it does compiling, testing and packaging. So we'll do the same from the Jenkins UI. So now let's go to the Jenkins. Before that, let's see the project on which we are working. We are working on this project called Game of Life, available as a public repository in GitHub. We can fork it to our GitHub account. Now, this is the project on which we are working. It's a simple Maven project with a POM file available in the source code. And this POM file will have all the details like version of your POM, group ID, like something like a domain name given to a group of projects, artifact ID, the project name, the version, kind of packaging and so on. You have all the details here. Now let us go and compile this project. Means the job should pull the code from this repository, means for the first time it should clone and then compile it. So let us create this compile job. Get the clone or download link. Now go to Jenkins and create a job in Jenkins called Game of Life compile. Choose the freestyle project and hit OK. And now go to source code management system. Here we are seeing some version control systems like Git and SVN. We can see other options as well. If we want to work with any other version control systems like TFS or ClearCase, we have to install the respective plugin on Jenkins to see that option. So right now I'm going with the Git. It asks to provide the Git repository URL, give the repository URL, and here it's giving some error. It is because wherever you are running the job, meaning on whichever server we are running the job, this Game of Life compile is being executed on the same server where Jenkins is installed. Like if you see, this is the server, Jenkins server, demo, and this is the IP address. So now I'm going to run the job on the same server where Jenkins is installed. So this is the server where Jenkins is installed and I don't have Git, hence the error. So means wherever we are running a job, the prerequisites to run the job should be there. This is simply a project on GitHub, which is a Java Maven project. So to compile this Java Maven project, these are the prerequisites we should have. We should have Java, we should have Git, we should have Maven on the server wherever we are compiling this project. So all these three should be on the server. So you can install here manually, or else there is another way to install. I'll show you. First it's giving error. So first let us install Git here. I'm installing Git manually. I'm install Git. So Git is installed. Now if I save this and come back, I should not see this. Click on configure again to edit the job. And now I'm not seeing any error. So done. Then we need Java and Maven. Before we give the Maven instructions and choose this build step, let us install the prerequisites to run the job. This is a Maven job, so we need Maven, Java and Git because the project is on GitHub. If you are creating some Docker job, we need to have Docker installed on the server wherever we have to run the job. So that's how we need a prerequisites. Now I have installed Git manually. Similarly, I can install Maven this way, or else I can install through another way. Let me install through the other way. The other way is go to Manage Jenkins. Under Manage Jenkins, we have Global Tool Configuration. It says configure tools, their locations and automatic installers. This is where we can install the tools. Go to Global Tool Configurations and just scroll down. We need Git, similarly we need Maven. So select this, add Maven, give some name to your Maven, let's say my Maven, and give some name to your installation, let's say my Maven, and you can choose the version here, some version you can choose and save it. So Jenkins will install Maven automatically through this automatic installer. It will install Maven of this version on the server here. I'll show you where it will be installed. Once you run the job, it will install all the prerequisites required for the job. So Maven is done, Git is done. We also need Java. So here you see JDK, add JDK. Again, you can give some name to your installer. Let's say my Maven. Install automatically, right? Or else you can also unselect this checkbox. We have already installed Java here, right? We can also give that Java home path here. Or else I'm going with automatic installer. Choose some version which is compatible to your project and to your POM file. I'm choosing this 8 version and agree the SE development kit license agreement so that it will give permission to download. Now see, it will ask you for the Oracle account credentials. So click on please enter your username and password. If you don't have an Oracle account, you can go here, Oracle website, create a free account here, Oracle account, so that you can download Java from here. So you can create a free account in here and put those credentials. I have created Oracle account already, so I am placing the credentials here. Give the credentials and the password. Hit OK. So done. Close this. So now Java is also done. So all the 3 prerequisites required for our job: Git, I'm using Git from the server, Maven through automatic installer, Java through automatic installer. I have Java on the server also, but my job will use this Java which is installed by Jenkins. So done. Prerequisites for the job are done. Now let us go and continue creating our job. Go to the job, configure. So here source code management done. Now come to build section. Under build step, you can choose invoke top level Maven targets. Select this. Choose the Maven version you want to use. I want to use my Maven. And what is the goal? Like we have seen how to use Maven from the command line, right? So if from the command line, if we want to run any task like a compile task or test task, the command is mvn compile is the command, right? Mvn compile. This is called goal or a phase. So put this in the Jenkins UI. So compile, so that it would compile. So it is same like it would be running at the back end, the command mvn compile. So that's all. The project would be compiled, means the source code will be converted into executable code. That's all. I have used SCM section and I have used build section. I'm just first creating individual jobs. These individual jobs, compile, unit test, package. Then later on we'll connect them in the sequence or we'll connect them in the pipeline. So for now I'm not giving any triggers and post build actions. If we want, we can add post build actions for sending notifications and all. But now a simple job which should clone the project and it should compile. So this job would be executed on the Jenkins server for now, where Jenkins is running. And yeah, we'll see where it will compile, in which location. Let us save this and let us build the job. Build started. Let's click this and go to console output. Here you can see it was building in the workspace. What is this workspace? Let's see. For every job, there will be some workspace created on the Jenkins server under var lib Jenkins. Var lib Jenkins is the home directory of Jenkins. Under this, there is a directory called workspace, and for every job, you will get a workspace. Under this workspace directory, for every job, there will be one directory created with the same name of the job. So if you go to that job, here is where it is going to compile. See, it will clone here. If you want, you can see the hidden files. .git means it has cloned this repository. That's why we need to have git. So it has cloned, and what happened, let's see. See, cloning the git repository, and then it has executed all the, like it has cloned it, and then Maven was installed through automatic installer. Where it is installed? Can you see that? See, it was like my Maven on Jenkins. So where the tool is installed? Again on a directory called var lib Jenkins. Under Jenkins home directory, there is another directory called tools, and here you have got your Maven installed. If you just scroll under tools, like if you go to tools, see, you have Java and Maven installed through automatic installer. Means if you install any tools through automatic installer, they would be installed under var lib tools, var lib Jenkins tools, and this is where you have Maven which is used for this job. And like I said, it is same like mvn compile. If you go to the bin and execute Maven compile, this is how it works. See, it's from the backend, this is the command that is executed, mvn compile. It's okay. If you want to see, you can also check the Maven version. And if you scroll down here, we can see compiling two source files to this location. This is the location where it has compiled to. So let's go to this location, and the build status is success. So go to this location to see the compile status. Compile files under com. Again there is a directory. So here again game of life, and so you can see the two compile classes, as it says compile two source files into this location. So this is how you can see your compile classes on the server. Means the source code is compiled into the executable files or the class files on the workspace. You can also see the workspace this way. If you go to the project, this is also where you can see the workspace. You can go to the location here, game of life web, and the location is target classes, and then controllers. Yeah, here are the class files compile and the system date of compilation. So this is how you create a compile job. Means through Jenkins we have created a Maven job which will compile. So here the actual tool which is compiling is Maven. So through build automation tool we have created a compile job.